Okay, Jingru, read the question first. You can pause to read the question. I'll carry on explaining. Okay, this kind of question is really very simple, okay? You don't think that it's difficult or what. You just do it step by step. Do it the way that I've always been teaching you all in class, and you will be able to get the answer very easily, okay? You need to have, first of all, the equation. So you need to read carefully. When this spaceship orbit the okay, all this story, long story, you don't really have to bother much. You look out for the keywords. The very first unknown is F, right? F newtons, okay, is inversely proportional. So that is the important thing. F is inversely proportional to the square of its distance r. So it's not just r, it is r squared. Alright, once you've gotten this, you are going to work with this. You don't need to find k at all in this question because they didn't ask you to find the value of f when r equals 200 or whatever. They didn't say anything like that, so there's no need to find k. Okay, what you need to do is, first of all, write o and mu here because there's a o value and a mu value. And what is the o value? It is just f equals kr squared. What is k? We don't know. What is r? We don't know. Okay, we don't need to know actually. We don't need to know. It can be anything. It doesn't matter. Okay, we don't care. Just leave it as this. That means f equals to k over r squared. You can consider this whole thing as a number. Okay, you don't have to know exactly what it is because they didn't ask you for it. They asked you for the percentage increase. Okay, now how do we carry on from here? There's a new value now, right? Because r is increased by 200. So r new, okay, is 200% more than the O1. That means it's 3 times of the OR. Okay, this is important. So you write this here first. For the F new, what is the equation? The equation is exactly the same as what you have here. Okay, except the F and the R are new now. They are new. Okay, and you need to put bracket for this whole thing, the new thing, and square it. Okay, you see exactly the same. Only K is unchanged. This has changed. This has changed. What has this changed to? 3R. So you put this inside here. That's it's very important to put the brackets. Yeah. If you don't put the brackets, you will write this, and this, the examiner will straight away put cross because it's wrong. It's not 3R squared. It is 3R whole thing square. You see, R new is 3R, right? So whole thing. Okay. Now what do? You square the 3, which is 9, square the R, which is R squared. Now, can you see now that KR squared, same, right? The same, huh? So this is your original F, that means the OF. Okay, and it is not 9F. It is not. Why? Because 9 is at the denominator. What's at the numerator? Although we don't write, there is a 1 here. So it's 1 out of 9 of F. That means the new F is smaller than the O1. Okay? It's smaller than the O1 because it's 1 out of 9 times of the O1, you see? Okay? Or if you look here, this line here, F new, the new F is 1 out of 9 of KR squared. Whereas the original F is 1 whole of the KR squared. So of course this is bigger, this is smaller. And it makes sense because this is inverse proportion. So when R is increased, the f has to decrease, and they already told you it's decrease anyway. Okay, but even if they don't tell you, you should know that it's a decrease because it's inverse proportion. If this goes up, this must come down. Okay, now let's continue the question. So now you know that the new f is 1 over 9 of the old one. Okay, how do I find the percentage decrease? Very simple, the percentage decrease is just 1 whole minus 1 over 9. Because this is the original, this is the new one, and from here it dropped down to 1/9 of the f. By right you are supposed to f here, f there, but we don't right now. We keep it simple. Then that will be your answer. Okay, you press calculator, that will be your answer. Okay, that's all for this question.